Hey guys, today is day 2 of earnings with this Bitcoin trader. Um, Alright, just logged in and there's my earnings. Okay, you can look at yesterday's earnings by going and look at the video below this video in the description box that it says day 2. I'm at day 1. That'll show you yesterday's earnings, and I'm actually eligible to withdraw this $61 right now if I want to, but I'll leave it and I'm going to compound this. So stay tuned for tomorrow and watch day 3. And if you guys are interested in investing in Bitcoin in this company, simply just reach out to me and I will get you set up, and also give you a free marketing system so you can share it with others if you're interested in sharing it with others. So alright, well, if you want to get more information on the company overview, simply just click on the link below the video in the description box, and if you'll kindly give us a thumbs up and a comment, we'll give away some free Bitcoin when we cash out. So if you make a comment, please simply drop your Bitcoin address wallet and we'll use the comment randomizer, and hopefully it might be you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or go to our website at getpaidlikemike.com and you get more information over the company. See you tomorrow on day 3.